I can't call this a live trade, but this a trade that I'm currently in right now. Right now, we're currently up 126%. We're dropping rapidly because of this wick action, but that's okay. The stock's gonna have to cool off a little bit, get more buyers in, and then we push right back up to hopefully 679, 680, right? But let me tell you why I took this. So looking at the 15, because it looks more clear, I seen the stock this morning in this range right here. When I seen it in here, I was like, this could be us potentially topping out and falling down, but I wasn't too positive. I wasn't sure, so I wasn't going to get in for the fall. We also gapped up from yesterday. We gapped up from 671 to all the way up until, what is this? This would be 677. But I wasn't positive. I wasn't like 100% positive that we were going to close that gap today. But once we hit this top, and if you look at it on a 1 minute, it looks kind of cleaner. Sometimes you do got to go and find where it looks cleaner. But once we hit this second high, I was like, whoa, we just created another low. The new high, so we'll say bullish right here, bullish, bearish. And then the reason why we say bearish is because it broke this low, right? But then it broke this high right here, broke this high and this high. So you say bullish. But then once it comes here, you're like, it's bullish because it didn't break this low. So it's going to consistently keep going this way. But then right in this area right here, you're going to say bullish, no, bearish. What's going to happen here? If we break below here, we have to buy puts, right? So once it breaks this area right here, this created a new low. You have to buy puts, and then you look and see where's the next support going to be. The support could have been right here, 678, but it blew through that. And then it, kind of had a little weirdness here, but then it blew through that here. So I just wasn't confident in it, but it played out. You can see this wick off of this area right here. This is essentially saying, hey, the gap has been filled. Okay, cool. Now that the gap is filled, we now have to say, well, what do we think is going to happen? So then I go down to the 1 minute, and right here is where we got in. We got in, I believe, right here. This. So I seen all of this bearish movement, and this candle body right here engulfed. So this meant that the buyers were stronger than the sellers. This happened. We made a new low. And then I was like, okay, that's okay. We made a new low. But guess what we did? We completely filled that gap, right? Because you can say, oh, the gap's filled here. Sure, whatever. But we completely filled the gap. We touched a wick off of a candle body. So then I said, okay, well, we're going to stay in because let's see how this reacts. It reacted as a support. It pushed all the way up. And now on a 1 minute, we're just going to see what happened. If we don't make any new lows, we're going to keep holding. The contract has got depleted. We were just up like 160%. Now we're only up 20%, but that's okay because it's just volatility, bro. Like, it's just the momentum of the market. As soon as the buyers come back in, it's only 9:52. Plenty of time left in the market to make some moves. And as long as we make this support or create some type of support here that we can bounce off of and push towards 679, 680, this trade is going to work out. Finally trying to break out. We need to break above 679 for I think us to hit some profit, or not profit, for us to hit the mark that we want. We currently got our sell order in. I'm not going to change it. We're kind of having some resistance, but we still got 4 minutes left on this 15. So if we could break out of here and push up, I think we'll be smooth selling. What does the hour look like? Hour got 19 minutes left, so the hour should finish strong. We only got about 80 cents left. Yeah, I think we could push out of this, but you know, you never know. We pushing. We got to break out of this with some more momentum. We're up currently 126% right now. Maybe we push above 679, we would probably be at our sell. But this is actually looking good because our 15s now broke out of here. We just need to hold it. If we could hold this structure, then we're gonna get a lot of bulls coming right behind this 15-minute candle. I don't think this 15-minute candle melts with the structure that it currently has. We're sitting at fill price right now, so we just need to push above this and it should fill. Waiting on orders to come in. People want to buy this contract, but yeah, it's getting absolutely melted, so I guess we're just gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I mean, we're right at the price. I don't know, I guess we're gonna need like a big jump to get over this hump. Open up the new hour, so we should push hard, but you know, did we get a fill now? 679. Yeah, we should have filled right here easily. Yes, sir. All right, we filled. Boom. We are completely done. That was a decent trade. I mean, it took a minute, about an hour, but it was a great push. Ideally, I wanted a little more out of it, but I just couldn't stomach it, bruh. Made a good chunk of change today, so that was fine. 100%. We'll take it.